in part 2 of this online driving instructor training kit will help you prepare to pass the part 2 driving test. We'll develop your driving skills to an advanced standard. We've broken everything you need down into bite-sized modules. You can see everything that is included in the course contents below. As you study, you'll be asked to get out in your car and practice any new advanced driving techniques by completing the many driving activities included in this course. First, you'll learn all about the system of car control and the basic routines we use to teach our learners. You'll learn how to give a driving commentary just like the professionals. Here, you'll watch a police trainer giving a commentary whilst driving on blue lights through central London. You'll be using the OAP structure to help you develop your commentary skills so you can get out in the car and start practicing. First, you'll raise your levels of observation, enabling you to better anticipate what might reasonably happen, which will develop your forward planning skills. Next, we'll show you what the examiners want to see when you're completing all of the manoeuvres. Watch our many demonstration tutorials before getting out in your car to practice. In the consolidation module, we'll cover the emergency stop exercise, the show me tell me questions and answers, the independent drive following either the sat-nav or road signs, making normal stops as well as designated stops, and fuel efficient driving. Finally, you'll put everything you've learned so far into practice by taking a mock test to see if you're ready to pass the Part 2 exam. We recommend you find a trainer to help you here, as they'll be able to assess your drive and provide you with the feedback you'll need to improve. If you're training with how to drive, all your in-car training is included as part of your training package. Remember, the Part 2 test is much more difficult than the test that your learners will take. You'll be required to drive to an expert standard, expected to make good progress when safe to do so. Driving like a learner here will almost certainly result in a fail, so make sure you get some help from a trainer with experience of the Part 2 test.